Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how to move channels on Discord from phone. So at first go to your Discord and then go to your server settings. From here go to server setting and then tap channels and then tap reorder, and from here if you want to change text channels then tap text, or if you want to change voice so tap voice. I'm going to move text channels, so from here tap and hold your channel and then swipe up or right wherever you want to set it. So this is how you can move your channels on Discord server. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.